is going on, everybody? You know what it is, and you know what we are doing. California Delta. Once again, I'm out here trying to catch these largemouth bass. It is low tide, rising till about 4. We're gonna see if we can get on them. Been by some flipping in the tulies. We're in the grass when it's low, popper, jerkbait. So hopefully we can get on some of these bass and maybe get a big one. So we can get on these fish. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. Peace. First one of the day, not bad, but we need some more. All right, it's number 2. Not bad. Not a jerkbait. Yeah, 100. All right, number 3. All right, it's number 4. Just a little rat. Right. Another one on the punch. On the punch. Another one on the punch. I thought I was snagged, but little one. Over. Those good ones. I did get some flipping, which is something I don't normally do, so that was cool. So I got to work on that hook set though. But a little bit of action. Wind got up a little bit, didn't expect that, so we'll be out here next week and we'll hit it again. So this is Richard, Pandemic Fishing. You know what it is. You know what we do. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.